Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. Oh, and that one is Woowind battery compressor. We will see detailed demonstration. I bring one of the football here. The pressure is not completed. I will show you how to use this electric pump to fill out the air in this football. Before doing the unboxing where I'm purchasing, I will show you first of all. I'm purchasing this product from Amazon, and here the Woowind LP1 battery compressor for bicycle and cars. Link is available on video description. So now I'm doing unboxing here. This is our product. I just simply open his box. The box is very premium quality. Oh, it's really nice. Apart from this product, what exactly we are receiving inside the box? The case, and that's it. Box is empty. This is the charging cable, so it's very easy here. The charging socket is available. You should charge like this very easily. The magic booklet, the Scan Me 2-year warranty, that one is really nice. All the information is here, and one of the important point come here: you don't carry anything or too much things if you have car, so no need to carry this one. This is only important. You should press here. Boom, it's really nice. You should fix here, and after that attach here. Now I refill the football with the help of this pump. I will show you some of the tips. So I on this one, I just simply remove the battery, football, and if you press here, so now is car, two-wheeler, bicycle and football. So you select this one, and we should use this clip comes in this bag. I just simply put it here. Perfect. And let's see. Start. Look at this. And one of the important point comes here. After complete this process, this one is automatically turn it off. Let's see. Yeah. Required pressure is 550, and this one is automatically off. It's very easy. You can refill anything using this one in your house, especially if you have car. I have Tesla, that's why I'm purchasing this product, and that one is really nice, very easy and compact as well. You won't purchase this product, link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.